Hey, beautiful learners! Welcome back to Learn with Amna. I hope you're having a gentle, bright, cozy day.
And if your day wasn't bright, don't worry, because boom, you're here now, and we're sending some good energy straight to you.
Ethan, that was adorable.
Thank you. I practice in the mirror every morning.
Today, we're giving you something powerful,
Something simple.
something practical.
Something you can use the next time you talk to anyone in English.
Yep, today we're teaching 10 easy conversation starters for beginners so you can speak confidently, clearly, and naturally.
And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start conversations without feeling shy.
Ready?
Let's make your English flow, like warm tea on a cold morning.
So many English learners get stuck on the first sentence.
Yeah, the brain goes, say something, anything. Wait, no, not that. Oh no, they're staring, help.
Don't worry, we're here to fix that. Conversation starters help you break the ice smoothly.
And they make you sound confident, even if you feel nervous inside.
Conversation starters help you break the ice smoothly. And they make you sound confident even if you feel nervous inside.
So let's start with number 1.
1. Hi, how's your day going? Simple, warm, friendly.
And the pronunciation is easy. How's your day going?
Try saying it with a gentle smile. It changes everything.
Quick dramatization time.
Hi, how's your day going?
Oh, pretty good. How about you?
See? Smooth, natural.
And you just started a conversation like a pro.
Number 2 is, hi, what are you up to today?
This one is fun.
It means, what are you doing today?
Pronunciation. What are you up to today?
Mini story. Imagine you see your classmate or coworker.
You smile, raise your eyebrows just a little, and say, Hi, what are you up to today? Boom. Conversation unlocked.
Number 3 is, hey, I like your blank. Compliments are magic.
Compliments open hearts and conversations.
You can say, I like your bag. I like your shoes. I like your haircut.
Add a tiny reaction. Oh, wow, I like your jacket.
People love this one.
Number 4 is, where are you from? Classic, easy, friendly.
But don't forget to ask the second question.
Oh, nice. How long have you been here?
2-step conversation starter. It makes you sound confident and caring.
Number 5 is, do you come here often? No, not the cheesy movie line.
Don't worry, we're using it the normal way. You can use it at
The gym, the park, the library, a coffee shop.
You can use it at
Pronunciation. Do you come here often?
simple and natural.
Number 6 is this seat taken? Great for classrooms, buses, airports, events.
Add a friendly half smile. It makes you approachable.
Quick dramatization.
Is this seat taken?
Oh no, you can sit here.
Boom. Conversation started. Now, number 7 is, what do you think about blank? This is amazing for making deeper conversations.
You can fill the blank with anything.
Movies, food, weather, a new phone, a class, a trend, a festival,
Example, what do you think about this weather?
or what do you think about this movie?
Easy, natural, engaging.
Number 8 is, have you tried blank before? Such a good one.
Especially when talking about food or experiences.
Example, have you tried bubble tea before?
Have you tried this restaurant before?
Have you tried learning English with us before?
Smooth plug, Lily.
I try.
Now, number 9 is, what do you like to do in your free time?
This one opens big conversations.
People love talking about their hobbies.
When someone answers, ask a follow-up.
Oh, nice. How long have you liked that?
Natural, friendly, human.
Number 10 is, so how do you know blank? Perfect for social gatherings.
Parties, weddings, events, group classes.
Fill the blank with a person.
How do you know Sarah? How do you know the teacher? How do you know him?
It builds instant connection. Hey, if you're enjoying this lesson so far,
And if learning English with us feels warm and safe for you, we would love if you joined our family.
hit that subscribe button. Gently, softly, lovingly,
Because every week we help you speak English with more confidence.
and more joy. Now, let's teach you how to use these in real life.
Situation 1. Meeting someone new. Hi, how's your day going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm good. By the way, I like your backpack.
Oh, thank you. I got it last week.
Smooth, natural, easy.
Situation 2. In a coffee shop. Hi, what are you up to today?
Just studying a little. Have you tried this coffee before?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's amazing. You should try it.
Situation 3. At an English class. Hey, is this seat taken?
Oh no, you can sit here.
Thanks. So, how do you know the teacher?
I saw her videos online.
Situation 4. At the park. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I walk here every evening. What about you?
I started coming last week. Let's quickly practice the hardest words.
Going to going.
Often to often.
Free time to free time.
Tried to tried.
Say them slowly, then faster, then naturally.
And add micro-expressions.
Raise eyebrows a little.
Smile gently.
Keep your shoulders relaxed.
Don't speak too fast.
Confidence is not loud.
Confidence is calm.
So today, we learned something big, something powerful.
We learned that confidence begins with the first sentence.
And now you have 10 easy ways to start any English conversation.
You don't need big grammar.
You don't need perfect accent.
You just need courage and a warm heart.
And we believe in you.
If this video helped you feel even a little more confident, we would love for you to subscribe and stay with us.
Watch the next video.
Keep learning
Keep growing.
and keep shining.
See you in the next lesson.